Welcome to our product selection videos, where we help you find the right tools for the job. This video covers the different types of bristles. Vikan has a wide range of bristle options for various purposes to meet your needs across all of our product lines. The bristle range includes short, long, split, soft, medium, hard, very hard, mixed, heat-resistant, and angle cut. Soft bristles are longer and thinner than other types. They are ideal for sweeping dry, fine particles like flour and sugar. You will typically find soft bristles used in Vikan's bench brushes, pastry brushes, and brooms. Medium bristles are suitable for wet and dry applications, and they're great for sweeping larger food particles, such as peelings and food scraps. These brushes are often used in Vikan products like brooms, hand brushes, cleaning brushes, and tube brushes. Hard or very hard bristles are typically shorter and thicker. They are perfect for scrubbing difficult or stuck material in both wet and dry environments. These bristles are used in products like Vikan scrubbing hand brushes, detail brushes, deck scrubs, and brooms. Soft split bristles are soft bristles with split ends. The split bristle fibers hold more water and cleaning agent to achieve a maximum washing effect. The most common use for this bristle type is in Vikan's washing brushes. Thanks for watching our overview of Vikan bristle types. And as always, if you have additional product questions, please visit our website vikan.com or contact our customer service team.